How to fix a white screen on Windows? For this first step, force restart your device. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the device turn off. Wait few seconds, turn your device on. If the problem still remains, then move on with next step. Disconnect external devices. Turn off your device. Disconnect all external devices like external keyboard or mouse or USB. Remove it and check. If the problem still remains, then move on with next step. Restore the graphic drivers. For this you need to press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B key. Your screen may briefly go black and you will hear the beep sound. Once complete after, you will check. If the problem still remains, then go with next step. Run system file checker. Search for CMD. Right click run as administrative and type the following text. Type sfc space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. Essentially verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it and shows here. Once 100% complete after it will shows there is no corrupted file available. After exit it and move on with next step. If all the steps are not working means the last and final step. Click settings, click system settings, scroll down, click recovery settings. Here you have seen the reset this PC is there. Click reset PC and follow the instruction. This depends on you. You go with keep my files and you can change the settings by clicking this restore pre-install apps. Click next and click reset. Thank you.